What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing I'm going to be making this poster board for my son for his school, because they're doing like this little Black History museum thing at his school, and they have to be a person and they have to dress up as that person and have to have a poster board of that person saying like what they're known for, their name and pictures and stuff on the poster board and all that. So in this video, I'm gonna be making the poster board. Y'all gonna watch me make the poster board and stuff. And I'm really kind of excited about it because the person that my child is being is Lil Bow Wow. Lil Bow Wow. So I got the stuff over here. I'm gonna show you everything I got. And yeah, it was weird because I didn't come up with this. I didn't come up with him being Lil Bow Wow. They had this already planned out at the school because I guess because his hair and I don't know. That's who they said. But it's funny because I used to be in love with him. And I still like him. I still want to meet him to this day. But anyway, that's what I'm going to be doing. So yeah, I'm going to sit on this flow and start working on this poster. To let my phone charge because it was gonna die and we had some severe weather, and I was hoping that the power didn't go out. But anyway, while my phone was charging, I went on and I put the name on. This is how far I done got. I still got more to add on there, but I'm gonna have to do that part tomorrow because I got to print pictures and all that type of stuff. But this is how far I've got. Let me show you. This is how far I got him on his poster.